Who's Pablo? Pablo!
Let's go! Yeah! For those of you that want to know what we're all about, it's like this, y'all. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember.
Do you know who the douchebag was?
They call him Krusty.
I'll be looking for Pablo's feet in that swim. And then, looking to cheer him on when he finishes.
Nice. Alright, thanks for your
Code, it's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Tox picking it up. Let's go. Who the hell is he anyway?
I qualified in New Zealand, just to summarize.
Qualified in New Zealand.
Yeah, I was having a really tough day, and then I caught this really douchebag.
Pablo Frano or someone? You know him?
Yeah. What's he been saying?
And now it all unfolds, the skill of an artist. This is 20% skill, 80% beer, be 100%.
Once I get to the run, and I know that Mike Crafts is around, the race is mine. My confidence goes up straight away.
Do you know this guy?
You guys are hard to hear?
Mate, no drugs, athletes. Yeah. The ice clinic's up there.
Yeah, no, it will be. It'll be definitely faster than one of the guys that I normally race against.
I don't think Mike Crafts is a challenge anymore for me. Like, I'm not thinking
it'll be faster than him, that's for sure. Even if he goes sub 9, I'll definitely be in front of him.
So,
can you please repeat the question?
As far as I'm concerned, I'm number 1 and he's number 2. That's how it goes, yeah.
Can you please repeat the question?
Shot 8 years in the making, patiently waiting to blow. Now the record with notice taking over the globe. He's got a partner in crime, his shit is equally dope. You won't believe the kind of shit that comes out of this kid's throat. He's not your everyday on the block. He knows how to work with what he's got, making his way to the top. He often gets a comment on his name. People keep asking him, was it given that birth?
Like I said the other day, I'm number 1, Pablo's number 2. I got you, big fella.